Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting your camera and achieving a rough balance so the gimbal has minimal load. This reduces motor effort and improves calibration accuracy. Once the camera plate is secure, level the roll and tilt by hand, then free balance the pan axis. Make sure the battery is above 50% and the Ronin app is connected. This prevents interruptions. These first steps cut down motor strain, which is why you do them before any auto calibration. Now you open the Ronin app and start auto calibration. The app runs motors through their range to learn loads, so let the gimbal swing freely when prompted. You follow on-screen prompts and keep your hands off the rig. Interrupting will skew results. After the pass, inspect motor strength and balance offsets. Adjust motor strength up if you hear stalling or down if motors overheat. This step fine-tunes responsiveness and ensures smooth tracking during motion shots. Finish by testing the gimbal through its modes. Follow, lock, and sport, and perform smooth pans and tilts while observing for jitter or drift. This verifies real-world performance. If you see issues, rerun calibration once, then double-check balance and motor strength. Those are the most common fixes. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort and inspect hardware for loose screws or worn mounts. One quick tip: log any.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.